Begin.
Let's show the operation of our alarm system. Here's the SIM card slot. Back. Here's the power adapter. Here is the siren cable. Now let's input the password. 6A. Go inside the setting. First is the remote controller setting. Now we can read the remote controller. Just touch the key. It reads the code and save it. Here you can save 9 remote controller. Save. Turn back. Next, let's build the defense room. Have 9 defense room here. Each room have a detector to set up. First, let's learn the door sensor. Open the door sensor, then it read the code. Save it. Next, let's save the motion detector. Just touch the motion detector. Yes. Now look at the panel. It read the code. Save it and back. Next, let's set the SIM SMS number. Here have 5 SMS number to set up. You can put your phone number. Save it. Back. Next, set the phone number. Here you also can set 5 phone number. When it alarms, then it can call your phone. Save it. Back. Next, let's set SOS number. Here you can set 3 SOS number. Just put into your phone number. Save it. Back. Now let's begin our operation. Press the array button. Open the door sensors. The siren is so loud. Yeah. Now look, the panel send the message and call your phone at the same time. You can get the phone from the panel. You can use your phone to control the panel. Some number can mean different operation. Now let's monitor the panel.
5.
Talk back. Then you can talk something. Then they will listen.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
When you are outside, then you can monitor your home situation. And number 7 is alarm on.
7. Alarm on.
Then the siren open. 8 is alarm off. Just press it. Then alarm off. 4 is disarm.
You can see the panel is.
Now you look at the panel. The panel is in disarm status. Okay, let's hang up. Finish.
Okay.
If you want to rebuild the information of your alarm, you just go into the setting. Now we show you the setting. This is the setting of your panel. Go inside. This is the original. Here you can restore the setting. Here is the original password. You can change it. Here is the if you want to send message to your phone, then you open it. If not, then close. SOS alarm setting. When value, then it open. Next is the voice demand. Value means the voice is working. In value, then you will close the voice of the panel. Here is the BL keeping setting.
Backlight.
Here's the backlight keeping. Now close it, then it has no light. Open it, then have light. Alarm call. When it's valid, then the alarm can call your phone. Invalid, then it's closed. Here is alarm delay. You can set the time when to get the alarm. 10 seconds means after 10 seconds you can get the alarm. If you set 10 seconds, then after 10 seconds, the panel is in the status. Next is the siren time. Next is the language setting. 2 languages for you to choose.
等一下，不行。Okay, finish.
Finish.